Good evening. Welcome to Brookes University Mathematical News. Tonight we have a three-part special on world health. Contrary to popular belief, recent research carried out by the Food Standards Agency has found that men actually eat more chocolate than women. Sam Thompson is out in the field finding out what people really think about the popular stereotype that women eat more than men. Over to you, Sam.
Hi Graeme, we're here at Brookes University, and as you can see, it's a feeding frenzy. Let's go find some students to find out their opinion on the matter. So who do you think eats more chocolate, men or women?
I'd have to say women.
Stereotyping. I'm gonna say women.
Female eat more chocolate.
Women eat more chocolate than men.
Women.
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 Woman. Woman.
Women.
Women.
Woman. Women.
Woman.
Women.
Men actually eat more chocolate than women, or so the data from the Food Standards Agency first shows. We can conduct a statistical test to see if the difference is statistically significant. From the data released by the FSA, we have the mean and the standard deviation for two independent samples. Therefore, we can conduct a t-test. Not that type of tea. Yes! H0, the null hypothesis, is that the mean amount of chocolate eaten by men is the same as the mean amount of chocolate eaten by women. H1, the alternative hypothesis, is that the mean amount eaten by men is greater than the mean amount eaten by women. We found the p-value to be 0.194, which is greater than our significant value of 0.05. Hence we failed to reject the null hypothesis and conclude that although the mean for men is greater than it is for women, the difference isn't statistically significant. Back to you in the studio, Graeme.
Thanks, Sam, for that informative report. In other news, recent reports coming in have suggested that the level of binge drinking has become far more apparent in young people. When I go to our research assistant, Steve Jefferson. Hi, Steve. So what have you been looking at?
Well, I've been looking into a drinking habit known as binge drinking, which has become increasingly popular with those of a younger age.
I must say I'm quite partial to the odd tipple myself on a Friday night.
Well, Graeme, I've been doing a little bit of research. Here we have a graph that I've constructed using data from the FSA. The bars represent different age groups, and the blocks represent units of alcohol consumed on the heaviest night of drinking in a week. The purple block represents more than 6 units, the green block represents 3 to 6 units, the red block represents up to 3 units, and the blue block represents no units. As we can see, the age bracket at the bottom here is 16 to 24. Now, it is illegal in the UK to drink under the age of 18, therefore this may have skewed the data as a lot of 16-year-olds may not be drinking. Despite this, the age group 16 to 24 still has the largest block for more than 6 units. This would indicate that that is the category most at risk for binge drinking.
That's fascinating, Steve. I've heard binge drinking is quite bad for you.
Yes, Graeme, there are a number of long-lasting mental and physical health issues such as liver and heart failure.
Thanks, Steve. That was most fascinating. Now finally for my favourite part of the day. Over to Holly Bennett with the Fatty Forecast. Holly?
Thanks, Graeme. I'm going to be looking at BMI from all over the world. The way you work out your BMI is by dividing your weight in kilograms by your height in metres squared. You're counted as obese if your BMI is over 30. I have a map here from the World Health Organization showing the percentage of people in each country that is overweight. The darker the orange, the higher the percentage of obese people there are in that country. As you can see, the more developed countries are darker shades of orange. Statistically, at 69.4%, America is one of the most obese nations. We're going to take a closer look at America now. We have data from the Centre for Disease Control and Prevention that dates back to 1985. As you can see, over the years, the colours get darker throughout the states. In 1997, you get the first hints of orange, which indicate a higher percentage of obesity in those particular states. By 2010, all of the states are coloured orange, and there is also a high percentage of states that have the colour red. This means that there is an extremely high percentage of people who are obese.
Thank you, Holly. That was most enlightening. That concludes the Brookes University Maths News. You stay classy, Oxford.